Hey guys, it's Rekt Capital. Welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for tuning in to today's video on Chainlink. Essentially speaking, guys, this is where Chainlink BTC topped out and we've seen a very strong substantial retrace, but at the same time, we haven't lost that parabolic advance that Chainlink has been enjoying since all the way back in mid 2018. So we haven't lost that parabola yet. And even though this has been a very strong retrace, we haven't even retraced as far as the parabola itself. So this parabolic advance hasn't yet been broken, and that's something to bear in mind because many people think that's all over for Chainlink. But being objective about this, we have to note that the parabola hasn't broken. And if we just look at the price action for Chainlink, at the moment, of course, this has been the topping out price structure here, pull back, and now we're actually finding some support at a previous support level. So that's essentially going to be a standard movement in price. Whenever we see a support being tested before a move up, and then a retrace back into that support, then of course we're going to see a rebound here. But at the moment, this rebound is a higher low compared to this low. So this higher low is potentially interesting to me, but what I want to really emphasize is that this is the area where we have a lot of support. This is a previous all-time high region with a lot of price action. This used to be a resistance, and this is now going to probably be a support should we get there. So let's see how this higher low behaves in the short term. But we have to bear in mind, guys, that this parabola hasn't been broken. And in fact, this parabola isn't actually that accurate relative to price because it could still be something like this. It could be something like this. But in any case, this parabolic advance is not over just yet. And we can't rule out another uptrend for Chainlink in the future. We can't rule it out as long as the parabolic structure here for Chainlink continues to hold. And that's about it for today's video update. Thank you so much for watching today. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed today's video, and of course consider dropping a like. I'm Rekt Capital and I'll speak to you in the next one. Speak soon.